Oh, hi. My name is Abdullah Mujahid.
Oh, whoa! My name is Sabiq Sharaf. I am Adi bin Abdul Malik.
Oi! My name is Amir Fidaus. We are from Sains, Sultan Iskandar. And our project is called
Aqua
Pure.
Sains Sultan Iskandar, a school located in South Peninsula of Malaysia in the state of Johor, Mersing. A cluster school of excellence that thrive in hockey and also chemistry.
Students in our school faced a problem with a limited source of drinkable water in some part of the school. There is also a problem with a clean water source for other uses, such as for our small pond behind the school laboratory. Sometimes, the student complains about having a clean and drinkable water source, but there is no action being done. For instance, our project takes a role to supply a clean and drinkable water source to all of the students to ensure a healthy and safe water to go through our daily life.
The Aquapure consists of 9 layers of reusable and waste product that can purify the dirty and smelly water into a safe drinkable water source. All the 9 layers has their own function to cleanse the water. To improve the calcium content, we have added boiled eggshells. Other substances such as cinnamon and active charcoal has also been added to improve the water quality. The water that has been filtered is safe to drink and useful for other use.
To create the product, we use towel that costs RM2.90, plumber seal tape costs 60 cents, funnel costs RM3.10, pipe costs RM2.10, and small containers that only takes RM3.90.
In essence, after calculating the individual prices of all the materials required for the project, the total estimated cost comes to approximately RM27.60. This amount reflects the combined expenditure needed to process with the necessary preparations.